We will be focusing on exponential equations. So let's get started. What are exponential equations? Exponential equations are equations that generally have an unknown variable as a power. So let's note that down. Unknown variable as a power. Unknown variable as a power. So let me give you an example of an exponential equation. Will be 2 to the power x is equal to 1, and another example will be 4 over 3 minus 6 is equal to 7 to the power x plus 2. So from here on, something that you have to keep in mind, that you have to remember also, let me write this in red and B to remind you that this is important, are all your exponential laws. So you know that you have to know that you can't solve exponential equations if you don't know your exponential laws. So let's go on. And keep in mind that when you're dealing with the exponential equations, that if a is a positive number such that a is greater than 0, except when a is equal to 1, then let's write that if a is a positive number we write NO such that a is greater than 0, except when a is equal to 1, then this means that a to the power x will be to a to the power y. This applies if and only if x is equal to y. So this is also very important to remember when you're dealing with exponential equations. So another important factor is that if a is equal to 1, then x and y can differ. What I mean is that if you write all the terms in the equation with the same base, you can solve the exponential equations by equating the indices. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. An example would be e.g. 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9. You know that the factors of 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. Which is equal to 3 squared, right? So this is going to give us 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 squared. So if we write all the bases of an exponential the equations the same, it means that we can equate what? The indices. So here it means that x plus 1 is equal to 2, which means that x is equal to 2 minus 1. So our x is equal to 1. So this is our solution. Don't forget to check our part 2 of this video for more examples, from the most difficult one to the simplest ones. And don't forget to click the end of this arrow where it's pointing to subscribe to the channel, and click here for part 2. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.